these oxygen absorbers, and I ordered them for $90 and then forgot that I wanted to put them on Amazon Smile. So I canceled that order 5 seconds after I ordered it, and then I put it back in my cart after I logged into Amazon Smile. So I put it in my cart and it's $104, not $90. It's $15 more. It won't even go into my cart at $90. So if I go to checkout, it's going to be, where's that at? Like $110, when I checked out prior to having it on Amazon Smile, it was $90. So now I'm going to log out of Amazon Smile and see what happens if I'm able to get it for the $90 again. I shouldn't have canceled the other order, is what I shouldn't have done. So let me see. When I go here, it still shows that they're available for $90 and $139. So see, I go here and it says 3 new. I just don't want to lose this page where it says they're $90. So let's see. Come on, come on. I may have to call them. Oh, look at that. Price jumped to $104. This is not the first time this has happened, when you order these and immediately the price jumps. So Amazon's algorithms are designed to fluctuate the price as demand increases or decreases. The lowest I've gotten these oxygen absorbers for, there are 1,500 of them, was $75, and the highest I've gotten them was this $139 you see here. So now I'm really upset that I canceled the order to give the credit to Amazon Smile. But it's okay. I still have enough. I don't need any more. But isn't that crazy? I just... Computer algorithms are designed not to help us, but to help the companies make money off of us. Be careful and be aware.